Ever wondered how electricians decode complex electrical systems? Wiring diagrams are their secret weapon. These blueprints reveal the intricate dance of electricity, guiding professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Mastering them is your first step to electrical expertise. Symbols and wiring diagrams are like a secret language. Each symbol represents a real-world component, from resistors to switches. Recognizing these symbols is crucial for interpreting diagrams accurately and understanding the system's functionality. Imagine a zigzag line representing a resistor or parallel lines for a battery. These standardized symbols, set by organizations like the IEC, are universal. Mastering them is key to unlocking the mysteries of any wiring diagram. Electricity flows like water through a circuit, needing a closed loop to function. Identifying these paths in diagrams helps you understand how systems operate. A closed switch completes the circuit, powering devices like light bulbs. Recognizing circuit paths is essential for troubleshooting. When a switch is open, the circuit breaks, halting electricity flow. This foundational knowledge is vital for designing and maintaining efficient electrical systems. Wiring diagrams come in various forms, each serving a unique purpose. Single-line diagrams simplify circuits, while multi-line diagrams offer detailed views. Knowing when to use each type is crucial for different applications. Single-line diagrams are perfect for quick overviews, representing multiple components with one line. Multi-line diagrams, however, provide a comprehensive look at each connection, ideal for complex systems. Grounding is a safety cornerstone in electrical systems. It provides a path for excess current, protecting users from shocks. Understanding grounding principles enhances both safety and system stability. Circuit protection devices like fuses and breakers are vital. They prevent overheating by breaking the circuit during overloads. Integrating these devices ensures both functionality and safety in your designs. Analyzing real-world wiring diagrams bridges theory and practice. From appliances to vehicles, these diagrams show how components interconnect. Practicing with them builds confidence and prepares you for real-world challenges. Hands-on practice with wiring diagrams is invaluable. It reinforces theoretical knowledge and equips you to tackle complex projects. The more you engage, the more proficient you become in electrical systems. Clear documentation in wiring diagrams is crucial. Labeling components and connections aids in troubleshooting and ensures compliance with standards. This practice enhances the usability and safety of your designs. By documenting thoroughly, you create a roadmap for future modifications. It simplifies maintenance and ensures that anyone can understand the system. Proper labeling is a hallmark of professional electrical work. Recap: we've explored the power of wiring diagrams, decoded symbols, followed electricity's flow, and understood grounding. By mastering these elements, you're equipped to tackle any electrical challenge with confidence. Takeaway: by mastering wiring diagrams, you'll enhance your electrical skills, ensuring safety and efficiency in your projects. This knowledge is your gateway to advanced electrical troubleshooting and DIY success. Thanks for leveling up with Support HVACR Trade Inc. Like, subscribe, and keep those systems running smooth.